I've talked about the Jetboil system before. I adore this thing. It is fantastic. I use it to boil water really fast, and I will use that water in other applications. I don't like to cook in this. I don't like to boil coffee in it or anything like that. Yeah, it's harder to clean up, right? I like to keep things pretty simple. But if you disconnect the Jetboil and attach this little guy, and these are available on Amazon, pretty affordable. This is in the deployed configuration with these feet rotated inward. It clips right onto the burner of the Jetboil, and you can set pretty decent sized pots on it. It's got good stability. For instance, 2-quart Sea to Summit sits on there. I trust it. The Jetboil itself is a little rocky, but that's okay. This opens up the potential for the Jetboil tremendously. Turns it into basically a conventional camping stove. And it's well worth the money. Link is in the description, and hope you guys enjoy it.